In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money using the Commonwealth Bank's app on your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up the Commonwealth Bank on your mobile device. Make sure to log on. Once you're logged on, choose which account you like to send money from. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use my Smart Access. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click onto Pay. And then what would you like to do? You would like to pay someone. So if you already got other people's bank account saved on your phone, just tap on that bank account below. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to click onto a bank account here. And then from here, you want to choose where it says amount. I'm going to do for the demonstration $1 and put in a description. It's going to say test. And then you can choose to make it a recurring payment or choose to pay later. But if you want to do an instant one, I'm going to show you how to do this. So go ahead and click onto next. And then on this page, you want to confirm your payment and then go ahead and click on pay now. And as you can see, it has confirmed.